Backtesting on TradeStation helps you evaluate trading strategies using historical data to see how they would have performed. Here's how to backtest effectively. Log into TradeStation, access platform, open the TradeStation desktop platform and log in with your credentials. Open the Strategy Development window. Navigate to Strategies. Go through a Strategy tab or Strategy Development section within the platform. Create or select a strategy. Create new strategy. If you're developing a new strategy, use easy language to code your trading rules. You can also modify existing strategies. Select strategy. If using a pre-built strategy, choose it from the strategy library. Set up the backtest. Apply strategy. Drag and drop the selected strategy onto a chart of the asset you want to test. Configure settings. Adjust the strategy parameters such as entry and exit rules, stop losses, and take profits. Run the backtest. Access backtest panel. Click on Backtest or Strategy Performance Report. Choose time frame. Select the historical data range and frequency for the backtest. Start backtest. Click Run to execute the backtest. Review results. Analyze performance. Examine the performance report, which includes metrics like total return, drawdown, and win or loss ratio. Review charts and detailed statistics. Refine strategy. Adjust parameters. Based on the results, tweak your strategy parameters and rerun the backtest as needed to optimize performance.